Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Guys, good afternoon. I present you the new chapter of As a Billionist Heroine, It's Normal for Me, Become a Yandere Heroine, chapter 35. So here it is, let's read the story. Why? I can see the numbers on Xiaoyang said. So this is the reason. Number one, she can see the numbers. Arju said to herself that there's no problem with the skill. Why suddenly can able to see Xiaoyang's. Now she looks really confused. Lu, classmates, how are you? Turns out, classmate is approaching her right now. Also, she can see her numbers, but isn't it the one who has the problem? Well, this girl. Last time, they have a misunderstanding. Right now, they're approaching her. Turns out, status is 70, 68, and 69. The injury okay? Thank you, really, yesterday. No, there's still a problem. How can their favorability become so high? Everyone in the classmate. I just did what I should do. Lu said to them. Arjun said, thanks to Xiaoyang yesterday, right? Now she looks really confused. Lu asked the three girls. What's the matter? Why suddenly? They're approaching her. Well, it seems that these three girls is planning something against her. And right now, she looks really confused. Yang, her yesterday was a bit scary. Suddenly, she go crazy. Lu, you're her classmate and roommate. She the same in the dormitory. Turns out that the dance party saved them. Xiaoyang's out of control. Developed sympathy for me. They increased her favorability. Right now, Starju is trying to defend Xiaoyang. Xiaoyang, she is not. Well, she suddenly paused. Now she can think of anything else to say about Xiaoyang. Right now, she was paused. What? She can really speak. Li Xinglu doesn't need to help you to talk. She threatened by classmate Zhang Yang, so she can speak. It is so terrifying. Zhang Yang's calm appearance usually tended to be. Is that so, Xinglu's classmate? So you don't care what my answer is, just to show your concern. Now, looking at Starju, he looks really calm. Also, it's a bit angry. Just talking and guessing. Just wait for me to give the answer you want. It is really boring. Now, looking at her, seems to be thinking about deceiving this girl. But it might be better. When Xiaoyang's entered the school, popularity, she became popular, especially with the boys. Everyone was looking at Xiaoyang. Well, did she really get jealous before? Xiaoyang was really surrounded by the boys. It is because of the Xiaoyang be hated or even abandoned. Well, that was her first impressions toward Xiaoyang on that time. Xiaoyang is only me. Well, it seems that she really want to possess her, right? That's why she become overprotected. That's why she is doing it right now. Xinglu, classmate. This time, just follow them to say you can achieve this goal. Xinglu said to them, Xiaoyang, she is really has a problem. Oh, this is not good. Now, she's trying everyone to get mad to Xiaoyang so she can take her. It's only her mind. If only she could try harder. Well, seems that the trigger right now, favorability been decreased and become tied up at 65. But it seems that this three girl, they look really amazed. But for Starju right now, people think that Xiaoyang has a lot of potential in the area, but she is always reluctant to start. Now, look at her. She was really good at making story. Before clearly said, I want to hurt more. Why should I such a thing and only abandon Xiaoyang? Now, this is getting crazy. Although it's also good to use props occasionally, but compared to what intensity, people hope to increase the frequency. Now, the three girls' favorability become decreasing. Now it turns to 35. Took more than 30 words to post half a car. We cowherd and Weaver girl once a year. Now the three girls become her fan. But seeing Lu, I too. Oh, are you sick? Well, these three girls discussing on what they're gonna do. Well, classmate Singlu, class is about to go. Let's go first. Right now, class is going to start. Singlu, she really needs to go to school. But for the three girls, they suddenly rush through to go out on the side of Singlu. Well, for Singlu, speaking of reincarnation before, I have never noticed that the favorability is such a chief things right now. Well, looking at her, from 70 plus now, really downgrade to 35. They becoming slowly. Other party has presupposition expected to be satisfied by you without authorization. Giving a standard answer, it is type people, degree of favorability will increase. But this situation is not what expected, will easily kick back your favor and leave. Only leave the people who are expected to feel that they have done something wrong. Now, this is getting crazy. For Singlu right now, think too much. In fact, the people were expected to do nothing wrong. Well, it seems that everything is mixed up. Singlu, right now, what is she going to do? Xiaoyang, is there a problem with her favorability? That's why she can see her status. Now, she really get confused. You can see anyone except for Xiaoyang. Be Xiaoyang, she can have a 100% favorability since she get like and follow by all the voice. Right now, Singlu, but what is this feeling? You feel uncomfortable about Xiaoyang's indication. Well, after that, Xiaoyang, she went inside. Well, she getting scolded. The school administration because of the party. It's been messed up. More of it, it's her fault. Possessiveness for Lu. What is the reason? Now, it's not clearly to her head. Chairman, Jiang Yang is here. Now, Jiang Yang seems to be surprised why suddenly the chairman of the school is going to approach her. Maybe because of what show she done before. Well, oh, coming. Turns out the chairman seems to be a rooster. Well, this is getting crazy. Right now, it seems it was really surprising. Is this the chairman of my fainting? Xiaoyang said to herself. Well, it seems that she is not terrified. Also, she is not surprised. The chairman, insufficient funding Bershoni. First meeting Jiang Yang. Well, it seems that the chairman was really a chicken. She was asking her. Ask directly Jiang Yang. Are you willing to transfer school? Oh, this is bad. Means that she'll getting kicked out on the school. And it was really troublesome. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!